Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. Usually I'm always buying from the used market a lot of products, but of course you will understand why this is not available on the used market. This has just come out in the market. Today I'm going to unbox the Canon 800mm F11 IS STM lens, which they have launched with the R5 and the RX bodies. So this is an F11. I had to do a lot of research and really did not know if the F11 is ever going to work with me, because I normally shoot birds and wildlife. But after seeing many videos and doing a lot of research, I feel that it's gonna cut the hack. So without further delay, let me start. This is a birthday present from my dear wife. So here goes. Let me take it out from the bag first. Woohoo! Here it is. Canon's newest, very cheap and should be very good 800mm RF F11 on an RF mount. The normal 800mm is way beyond my reach. It should be around like 15K, but this one is really cheap. So on top of this here is the warranty thing, some papers, nothing much. Okay, this is the plastic thing. And here it comes. This is the lens. This doesn't feel like an 800mm at all. It seems like a little toy I bought about 10 years ago when I bought a 70 to 300mm lens from Canon. It's wrapped in bubble, wrapped in plastic. Here it is. It's a plastic lens, I knew that. So first, I believe there is a lock here. So you unlock and you pull it out, and then you lock it back, and that's when the lens goes live. So this is a RF mount lens. It works only on the R mount and the RF, and ideally it should be used with a R5 or R6, the bodies, which will support this. And since it's F11, as you know, light is very short, and only those two cameras which have ISO until 12,800 or more will work with these lenses. So this is my first unboxing video. The Canon 800. I just got it and I'm super stoked to be using it soon. So we'll do a video of a review soon after I've used it. Thank you.